Channel Islands is one of the most underrated national parks in the U.S. Most visitors go for a day trip to either Anacapa or Santa Cruz Islands. On the boat ride over, we saw the best dolphin encounter I've ever seen, as well as on the way back. Our main activity of the day besides hiking the island was sea kayaking. It turned out to be the coolest kayaking I've ever done, in and out of sea caves, on top of kelp forests, and surrounded by scenic cliffs and wildlife. This experience alone shot Channel Islands to the top half of my national park list. We visited in January, so the waves were a little choppier, which made the caves a little crazier, but still doable. The crew at Island Packers gets you a map and well prepared before you get started, and you don't have to go very far before you start seeing some action. We used Channel Islands Kayak Center right next door for our rental. We had to be cautious because of the swells that would come in out of nowhere and lift you up way inside these small caves, but it was definitely an adrenaline rush. They even require you to wear a helmet the entire time. There are guided tour options, but I don't really think it's worth it, as there's really only one way to go along the coast, and you'll be much quicker on your own, and you can watch the other groups if you're unsure about some caves. There were a ton of birds flying around, but the best wildlife were the sea lions. At times, they would just stare from a distance and then dive underwater like they were headed right towards you.
Sure. I don't think we're going to be getting through that. You can't see on the water? Yeah. I've already got my socks. Hey. Wanna check it out? Back it up. Wow. What do you think? A little further? Yeah. Wow. Just need one of those flows.
The water was so clear, but I forgot to dip my camera underwater.
Oh wow, you can go all the way through. Is that what those other people did? Yeah, it seems better than turning around. Oh man, this is crazy. Alright, here we go. Might get a little swell in there. Alright, stay to the right a little. Oh my gosh. There's a rock in the middle. You want to go to the right of it or left? Left? Oh my gosh, this is sweet. Alright, right. Sorry, now go to the right. Woo!
Snorkeling is another popular activity, but the water is chilly in the winter, and we only had enough time for a couple hikes and kayaking. There are a bunch of areas on the island like Painted Cave and Prisoner's Harbor that I would eventually like to come back for. The largest cave we went in had its own beach with seals in it, and we had some amazing photo opportunities.
Those ones are different. Those are, oh my gosh, that is so cool. Hello. Barely moving. These guys aren't as aggressive as the other ones. These must be seals then, and these ones are a lot fatter.
After about an hour and a half on the water, we parked the kayaks and explored the interior. The island looks primarily untouched. There are quite a few day trails and backpacking options, but we decided to go for the 4.6 mile hike to Potato Harbor, which passes Scorpion Ranch and Cavern Point. The views on top of the cliffs were as good as it gets, while the mountain views on the interior were also impressive. Keep your eyes out for some of the endemic species like the island fox, and look down below for marine life. For my review of Channel Islands, see the above video.